Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Yardi software. So if you are into property management, chances are you have heard of Yardi, but if you don't know how to use it, this video is for you. First of all, you need to open your web browser and here in the search bar, you need to just search for Yardi software. Then you will be landed on the official website of Yardi, which is yardi.com. Now, once you are on this page, you need to click on this global icon in the top, and from here, you need to select your country or your region or your continent. So let's say I'm from Asia, I'm going to select the Asian continent, and it is going to be redirected me at yardi.asia. So if you are from an Asian country, you can just contact to them from this website. Now over here you will see the get in touch option. Basically, in order to get your dashboard, you will have to first of all apply for it, and in order to apply for it you will have to fill out a form, or you can even contact at this given numbers. So once you click on the view solution option, it is going to ask you to either watch the video or request demo. So in order to request for demo, simply click on the request demo option and then fill out this form that requires you providing your first name, your last name, your company details, your business email, phone number, your country code and your portfolio. So after filling these details, you will have to press the submit button. Now once you do this, they are going to contact you via your phone number or your email address. So once you get the response from them, you just have to talk to them, and if they find your profile good, they are going to give you the access to their dashboard, and from there you can start using it. They will also going to provide you the demo videos and bunch of other instructions so that you could very easily start using Yardi software. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.